The combination of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and One UI 7 is set to deliver one of the most powerful and refined smartphone experiences yet. With cutting-edge hardware, likely featuring an upgraded Snapdragon or Exynos chipset, an advanced camera system, and a more power-efficient display, the S25 Ultra will push performance boundaries. Paired with One UI 7, Samsung's software optimization will enhance speed, multitasking, and overall usability, making the device feel smoother and more intelligent. AI-powered features such as real-time translation, enhanced note-taking, and improved battery management will make productivity and daily tasks more seamless. The redesigned interface, with more intuitive controls, a streamlined notification system, and enhanced customization, will further elevate user experience. Additionally, with Samsung's continued focus on long-term software support, security updates, and ecosystem integration, the S25 Ultra running One UI 7 will stand as one of the most compelling flagship choices, blending raw power with software intelligence for a truly premium experience.